welcome to our social street fair today. We're going to feature Upins. And we have a guest today. Cassandra is going to let us. So these Upins here have sparkly stars on the end. I'm going to let you twist your hair in a French twist.
In a French twist?
Yeah, so well, what you just did a minute ago. Not the bun.
Okay.
But what you did. So you can turn around so they can see and step over this way. Right there. So Upins will work in thin hair, thick hair. If you have enough hair to put it up, she does really good with her own hair. I probably would have a harder time putting it in her hair or twisting her hair up. But since she knows her hair, it's better.
My hair is very thin.
It's very slippery. So you're going to catch it this way. And then you turn it back in and it tightens. And in fact, probably there's not even room for a second one in there in yours. Let you turn this way a little bit. That looks really cool. That's like super tight in there.
Yeah, it is. Very secure.
It's not going anywhere. And then we were going to show you the bigger Upins, which, let's see, you want to do that, try the bun again? So it was the first time she's used these, and she just did it a second ago. Looked really well. These are the big ones, and they're all of these come in silver, rose gold, black nickel, and brass. And there's a rose gold. This one's a Swerve. And then there's these two styles. Here we go.
Thank you.
So it works the same way. You catch part of the hair and then that. She's put it in her bun. So let's see. Here we go. Yay!
That works?
Right. That works. Thank you very much. So now we can move on to the thick-haired people.
Oh, I can see me. Okay. Yeah, I didn't show off my thin hair. How you can see through it.
Yeah, Angie's like the opposite hair of Cassandra. Okay, so I got my arm in the way here. There we go. So on the side that's open, we're going to catch the hair that way and bring it back. I may have too much of a upper part there. We will see. She definitely needs two. Am I hurting you?
Oh, I don't do my hair this way.
So, it's in a French twist. So how do you do it? You do it in a bun?
Oh, I just don't usually use those. So
You don't use this. Okay, so I'll show you one other thing that we can do with the Upins. So we can take half of her hair and I do this style a lot, actually. Twist, twist, twist. Round and round, round.
yes,
And round.
round and round for a long
And
time.
round and round. And let's use these. These are posy. And so catch the hair, turn it back in. And then on the bun, you're going to do it on the other side. Actually, it's pretty tight just with the one.
Yes.
You're free! Okay, let's see. Let me do one more thing. Maybe I'll use one of these. And here, I'll do it at my hair though.
Okay.
So if you can watch and make sure I'm in the right place.
You're good.
My whip it.
Whip it.
up.
I like it. We should call it that.
And then catch it that way.
Nice.
Not going anywhere.
I see it had all those curls.